King Jessy TV, wetin be your problem? Wetin exactly be your problem? Wetin be your problem? Wetin be your Sam, if they ask you wetin be your problem, wetin you go tell people say na be your problem? We be say you no want let this boy be. Wetin be your problem? And you busy rest. You not fit go police station, go and take a restricting order. Make this girl not they reach your street again. Talk less say na your domot. This girl not supposed to they reach your street again. Talk less say na your domot. And I love what this your sister they do am. Now what if fit am? Now be this one. You think say na everybody now be printing Vivian will be say go see get pity or you. Follow this one fight now. Follow this one fight. Make it give you pity of your life. What it be your problem? Just the interval of 1 month or 2 months, you started again. Anybody will go tell me say this girl say this girl is possessed. Native doctor possessed this person. That person here is not correct because this girl he had a clear finish. This girl he had a clear finish. He had a clear finish. Not be consent contract. Not be consent contract you define for where Bizzy rest. Then now something else you define for where Bizzy rest. Day. Relationship is not by force. Leave this boy alone. You cannot force person into a relationship. Allow this boy to be. What be your problem? The color of your problem. Tell the word, make people know. Guys, share this video. Jessy. When Queen Sue, stay your own. Share this video when you come across this video. I remain your humble girl, Linda Gist TV. Thank you so much, my people.
Wait, they don't tell you say, make you know they come my house. Make you give me this.
They don't say our two. Make with our two.
Jessy, I don't come your house.
Why your sister go tear my clothes?
I don't come on the street.
Why your sister go tear my clothes? She don't tear my clothes. She don't feel caution. I'm talking to you. You're moving around. Stand there, my friend. If you touch me.
See, are you stupid? Why
no hit me.
Why would the press man? You stupid?
No hit me. You don't hit me. Why? Press myself. You walk up on here. I tell you to walk on here again. So walk up on here. They go.
Now wait.
They go.
I person will fit you now be this.
I don't want to see your legs. They go. She put me what I
did. You didn't say.
See this stuff, this bandage. Because of me. Now me sending me guys like keke. Your mate say enter keke. After you come out to play big boy, when you enter keke, you enter keke and rob you. You come out to me. Don't worry. You go fire. You go because you go fire. You lost your guys and me cause am.
Who cause am? Who cause am?
You did rob me because am. Now me tell the boys to go rob you. You go fire. You go test the and say na me cause am.
You say it's not so you say. Don't look yourself.
See this clothes. You will buy it.
Are you mad?
Are you mad? You buy this clothes 10 times to go buy them. They give us also restriction later.
What carry from my street?
Because I want to go into your auntie tear my clothes.
I don't want to concern me.
I don't concern you.
If you should tell me,
not be a family member should be.
I don't know what be this girl problem.
I don't know what's my problem.
I don't know whether you know what you sign. No.
You know what you signed today.
You know what you.
You know what you signed.
I don't want to hear your man.
Tell your sister what you signed because I should not go to school. Tell her what you signed. Because I'm public access to this. But I listen when they push me. I'm not waiting for you, sis.
I don't know why this girl made the last one thing.
I'm gonna wait for you here, sis. Hold on.
Jessy.
Hold on. I said you should hold on, let me talk.
Shebi,
see.
They don't come give you later. Say make you they give me gap.
They give us restriction later. Make we they give each other gap. Okay. I gave you your own gap. You give me your own gap.
So
your so-called sister. I mean your so-called auntie. They don't say what's carry me come. But I say no see the video when they upload for your page. See the mess. See the clothes. Your auntie disgraced me.
Let me tell you.
She tore my clothes.
I don't want
to be the record.
I don't want
your auntie tore my clothes. See me. Your auntie tear my clothes.
You be like say what's
your auntie tear my clothes. Well, I want to sleep for yourself. Right now, now they find trouble.
You be like say you don't know what.
Now your family people when they find trouble.
You don't know what you sign.
I did on my own. You
don't know what you sign.
Your auntie can't embarrass me. Tear my clothes. She give me public disgrace for public. So your so-called auntie.
I don't want to concern me.
I don't concern you. It concern you.
See.
Because she's a family member.
Jessy.
Because me, I give you your own lane.
Jessy.
You give me my own lane. I give you your own lane.
I don't come your street.
Give each other lane.
I
give you your own lane. Your sister. When you feel caution, I'm talking to you. You're moving around. Stand there, my friend. If you touch me.
See, are you stupid? Why
no hit me.
Why would the press man? You stupid?
No hit me. You don't hit me one. I don't count down. One, don't hit me. They give us also restriction later.
What carry from my street?
Because I want to go into your auntie tear my clothes.
I don't want to concern me.
I don't concern you.
If you should tell me,
not be a family member should be. No, if you move and eat.
If you touch this, I go blue.
If you move and eat.
If you touch this, I go blue it for eye.
You go blue me for eye. Blue me for eye, maybe number 2. You don't hit me with number 1. Hit me again number 2. Stand there. You go pay this clothes.
Thank God say at this in now record because you see this not say me say
you pay this clothes.
You come my house. Then go arrest you.
They go arrest me.
You see this way be say you.
Because also your auntie disgrace me. Then go arrest you not too. Why you and your sister? I been your sister, I been your auntie. She from village come. Attack me for public. Tear my clothes. Disgrace me. They tell me come for me pass. Pass go inside because they follow you go inside.
They don't tell you see. They don't tell you see. Make you know the come my house. Make you give me this.
They don't say our 2. Make with our 2.
Jessy, I don't come your house.
Why your sister go tear my clothes?
I don't come on the street.
Why your sister go tear my clothes? She don't tear my clothes. She tear my clothes. She naked me for public. You don't understand.
You do video finish. Can I send give manager? Yes, manager post.
Yes.
And manager, that one you say we never finish what you
talk. The so-called fans when they attack me, they say, "No, they do you." Make them see and say, see now you didn't find me trouble now. I don't be on my lane. You don't come find me trouble. You send your sister. Since you don't say nothing come on your own, you send your sister. Make you come disgrace me. Since you don't say nothing come on your own, you send your sister. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
I see you should respect yourself.
Respect your own self too. Respect your own self too. Or guys, you go pay me this my clothes. You go pay me or you don't go pay me. You have to pay this clothes though.
Auntie,
you have to pay this clothes. This is your auntie again. Okay, no wonder. I thought that's how you send her. I thought that's how you send her.
See.
I thought that's how you send her. She got disgrace me. Make I want disgrace myself. You will come here. I said you walk on here again. See what come here. They go.
Now wait till
they go.
A person will fit you now be this.
I don't want to see your legs. They go. She told me what I did.
You didn't say.
You see this outside. I mean, harass me so that they harass me. You send yourself to go they harass me publicly. You see there here. You see how to go they harass me publicly.
So let me tell you something.
No worry, do whatever you want to do.
She not there.
Do whatever she wants to do.
She not tolerate your rubbish.
No problem.
She not tolerate your rubbish.
I know you're going to want to madam. Do it. Do it. Anything want to do it. I fear you. You send your so-called sister. I'm going to flog your head down. You carry your so-called sister to go there harass me for public. Any of you she harass me.
Give me my other phone.
You send them she go there harass me for public. Who you want call? You better call our lawyers because right now this is public assault. She don't have something the first one. She don't have something the second one. They go. You know what I mean?
I don't know what be this girl problem.
I don't know what's my problem.
I don't know whether you know what you sign. No.
You know what you sign to?
You know what you.
You know what you sign to? Tell your sister what you sign because she don't go to school. Tell her what you sign. Because I'm public assault. When they push me, I get to that with you. I don't want to. When I finish my clothes, see I'm here. Come on, Uber. See I'm here. Why not? I have to send her back. Why not? Uber buy clothes for you. Uber, see I'm here. When I buy it, this your back load. Uber buy clothes. 200 naira they carry for here. See. I'll store you.
It's the stone.
I'll store you. I'll store you. You don't care about.
They will arrest you.
Now evidence.
I don't want to follow you.
You start assault me for public.
Wait, I don't want to follow you.
You say we got to avoid ourselves.
Auntie,
you better carry your people inside caution how. She from village come, so definitely she don't go speak, she don't know what she do. You better tell her. Tell the people. No, throw that thing. It be like say
don't be mad. It be like say don't be mad. See, I don't want to follow you talk.
How you gonna follow me talk?
I don't tell your mama.
Your sister don't pour me water.
Wait, I don't tell your mother.
Wait,
I don't tell your mother.
Since you not people by yourself, you go
I tell your
somebody
mother on a peaceful way. I tell your mother on a peaceful way. Make him talk to you. You don't agree or something. Now, I don't send letter give you. Make you for stay your lane. Avoid me.
Why you send her to come harass me for public?
You don't say.
Why you send her to come harass me for public?
You don't say never do you. Jessy,
Oga,
watch your
you
back.
buy my clothes back.
Because as I
come on
here.
You go buy my clothes back.
As I come on here. You see
because I get evidence. I don't get evidence.
What's your evidence?
You still harass me. You sent her to come and harass me.
Woman do woman something doesn't harass.
You don't concern me that a woman have been a man. You don't concern me. You take a look at yourself.
Take a look at you.
Piss off.
Take a look at just don't look yourself.
See this clothes. You will buy it.
Come on, sit down. Are you mad?
Are you mad? Are you mad? You will buy this clothes 10 times. You go buy them. If you don't buy this clothes, if you don't buy this clothes,
go fight and see bandage you carry for hand.
make it. What does happen with the bandage?
Because of him carry this bandage.
Because of me. Now me sending me go enter keke. Your mate say enter keke. After you come back to say big boy, when you enter keke, you enter keke and rob you. You come out to me. No worry, you go fire. You go fire because you go fire. You lost your guys, now me cause am.
Who cause am? Who cause am?
You did rob you, you cause am. Now me cause am. Now me tell the boys to come rob you. You go fire. You go test it and say now me cause am.
You say it's not saying you say you.
Leave me, madam. Leave me alone.
Thank God, you come my street. Thank God, you come my street.
I come here to come complain.
No one.
I come here to come complain. You see the clothes when I see it. When I see the clothes,
tomorrow you go yara.
better because that liar that was to go cut.
So guys, thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, Linda Gist TV. Also follow us on Facebook page, Linda Gist TV. Please don't forget to share, like, and drop your comments on the comment section. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Bye.